How to change color of your shirt. First, we need to select the shirt using the Quick Selection tool. Select the area you want to change the color of. In our case, it's the shirt. Then zoom in and make corrections if there are any mistakes. Have you ever wished you could change the color of your already taken picture? Duplicate the layer and navigate to Hue, Saturation. Now feel free to slide through the color panel and pick your favorite combination. Another option for changing the shirt color, such as black or any color of your choice, can be done by selecting solid color. Set the blending mode to multiply. Then, right-click for blending options and adjust it to match my preference. Drop your suggestions in the comments below, and let's craft something extraordinary together.